What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We've all seen the sci-fi movies and video games with incredible spy gadgets and military gear. But what if I told you that a lot of that tech isn't just a fantasy? It's on Amazon right now, and you can buy it. Today, we're counting down the top 10 high-tech military gadgets you can actually buy on Amazon. This isn't just for military enthusiasts. It's for anyone who loves cool tech, tactical tools, and things that push the boundaries of what's possible. Let's dive in. Number 1. DJI Neo Mini Drone. First up, we have a gadget that's revolutionizing personal aerial surveillance, the DJI Neo Mini Drone. This isn't your average toy. It's an incredibly lightweight and regulation-friendly drone weighing just 135 grams, less than most smartphones. This means in many places, you don't need to register it with the FAA. But don't let its size fool you. It captures stunning 4K UHD video with DJI's signature stabilization, so even in windy conditions, your footage is smooth and cinematic. What's truly spy tech about this is its ability to take off from the palm of your hand, fly controller-free with voice control, and use smart features like subject tracking to follow you and capture professional-looking footage without any effort. It's the perfect gadget for covert observation or just capturing epic, hands-free shots. Number 2. Poly Blackwire 3220 headset. In any operation, communication is key. The Poly Blackwire 3220 wired headset might look like a simple office tool, but it's a critical piece of gear for clear communication in a chaotic environment. Its noise-canceling boom mic ensures that your voice is heard clearly without background noise, which is essential for home office work or coordinating with your team. The comfortable, lightweight design is great for long missions or long conference calls. With its simple plug-and-play USB connectivity, it's a reliable, no-frills tool that ensures your message gets through. Number 3. Holosun HE403BGR Micro Sight. For anyone who uses a rifle, precision is everything. The Holosun HE403BGR Micro Sight is a piece of professional-grade optics you can get on Amazon. This isn't just a red dot, it's a tactical advantage. It features Holosun's incredibly efficient Super LED with an amazing 50,000-hour battery life. The most futuristic part is the shake-awake technology. The optic deactivates when not in use and instantly reactivates the moment you touch it, so it's always ready. The multi-layer reflective glass gives you a clear, crisp sight picture, making target acquisition faster and more reliable. Number 4. Byrna SD Kinetic Launcher. This is the ultimate in high-tech, non-lethal self-defense. The Byrna SD Kinetic Launcher is the gun that looks and feels like a real firearm, but fires non-lethal kinetic projectiles. It's powered by compressed air and can disable a threat from up to 60 feet away. The key is that it's designed to defend lives, not take them. It requires no background checks or permits to own. It has a redesigned trigger and upgraded sights for faster target acquisition, making it a powerful and responsible self-defense tool. Number 5. ChiVivi Precision Tweezers. In the field, the smallest tools can be the most critical. These ChiVivi Precision Tweezers are not for eyebrows, they're a tactical survival tool. Crafted from a single piece of stainless steel, these are single-piece construction tweezers with ultra-fine, needle-sharp tips that are incredibly precise and strong. They are perfect for extracting splinters, glass, thorns, or any debris from a wound, a task that a regular pair of tweezers can't handle. The best part? The retractable design with a screw lock and leather sheath means they are always protected and ready on your keychain or in your first aid kit. Number 6. 3MDBI Sala ExoFit X300 Safety Harness. While this product is for industrial use, it's a perfect example of high-tech gear you can get on Amazon. The 3MDBI Sala ExoFit X300 Safety Harness is what a military operator would use for high-angle maneuvers or climbing. It has features you might see in a movie, like hybrid comfort padding that is moisture-wicking and breathable, a body belt with hip D-rings for positioning, and integrated trauma straps that can be deployed to prevent suspension trauma after a fall. This is the kind of gear that's built for extreme situations where comfort, security, and productivity are non-negotiable. Number 7. LifeStraw Peak Series Water Filter. Survival is about staying hydrated. The LifeStraw Peak Series water filter is a lifesaver. This gadget uses a microfilter membrane to protect against 99.999999% of bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. It's ultra-compact and incredibly versatile. You can use it as a straw, a squeeze bottle system, or connect it to other gear. It's a simple, rugged, and essential tool that gives you a source of safe, clean drinking water in any environment. Number 8. Covert Ops Ultra Tough Video Recon Bot. Now, this one is an absolute blast from the spy toys of the past, but with a modern upgrade. The Covert Ops Ultra Tough Video Recon Bot is a small, durable camera drone that's based on a real military prototype. You can literally throw it up to 30 feet, and it's so shockproof it will land and let you see the video feed live from the controller. You can then maneuver it to get a 360-degree view. While customers say the camera quality is a bit laggy, it's a brilliant, fun way to get into remote surveillance and reconnaissance. Number 9. Telescope Brass Spyglass Monocular. Sometimes, old-school tech still holds up. The Telescope Brass Spyglass Monocular is a classic piece of naval gear you can buy on Amazon. It's not a drone, but it is a powerful optical tool. This monocular is a classic design made from high-quality materials. It offers a powerful 25x magnification and a wide field of view. Its portable, collapsible design means you can easily carry it in your pocket. It's perfect for surveillance, birdwatching, or just realizing your inner pirate dream. Number 10. Night Vision Goggles. Finally, for the ultimate tactical experience, we have these night vision goggles. This gadget is a game changer for nighttime operations. It features a powerful 850 nm infrared illuminator that allows you to see animals, landscapes, or people in complete darkness. It captures 4K HD video and has a large 3-inch screen for a clear view. It's rechargeable, waterproof, and compatible with tripods for hands-free use. Customers love that it's easy to set up and provides a crystal clear image, making it perfect for camping, security, or just exploring after dark. And there you have it, the top 10 high-tech military gadgets you can actually buy on Amazon. It's amazing to see how much of this technology has become accessible to everyone. From a powerful mini drone to military-grade optics, the future of tactical gear is here, and it's surprisingly affordable. Let me know in the comments below which one of these gadgets blew your mind the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.